Hello and welcome to my November box. My partner in the video just got braces. She's having none of this. But that's okay. Maybe she'll return another day. Alright, let's see. Shoe bag. A shoe bag. Black shoes. Black sneakers. Oh. I love Toms, but boy, I have black sneakers that look exactly like this, so this would be very decadent to keep those. We'll see. Item 2. Okay, what do we got? Oh, I think I may have pinned this. It's like just a little striped long shirt with these little yellow cuffs. That's cute. Alright, here's the t-shirt. It's cute. Oh, and an update on the shoes. Of course they fit, but if I'm going to keep the rest of this, I'm going to be selling those with the discount, because I do not need them, but then that'll help me get the discount on all the other items. So if anyone's interested in a black pair of 8 Toms with a 25% off discount, they'll be for sale. Anyway, cute. Item 3. Oh, that's pretty. Blouse. Flowered blouse, kind of black. Cute. Here's the blouse. It's cute. Like it so far. It's keep 3, sell the shoes. I also, in the meantime, just read the note and she said something would look good with my gray booties from my last fix, which I had kind of forgotten about. So I found those in the closet because they're adorable and I had forgotten. This is a bad sign. Like, I don't need any of these if I'm forgetting about what I just got in the last fix. But anyway, cute. Item 4. Huh. Oh. It's like a long black hoodie. I mean, have I ever sent back anything that had a hood on it? I doubt it. This probably is a new favorite. Here's the black hoodie. Thumb holes. And it's long and it's really fitted, but kind of a little warmer than a regular hoodie. Like, of course I'm keeping this. Last item. Some like long jeans of this brand that I love, really stretchy, and they're kind of like dark plum. I think those are going to be great. So here are those kind of plum leggings. It's hard for me to ever get leggings in the shop, but there I have a couple pairs of the same brand, same size. They fit perfect and they'll go with lots of stuff. So really a 5 out of 5, but I'm going to sell the shoes. Don't need any of it, but really love all of it.